Ever wondered what could happen if you used castor oil before bed? The results might just blow your mind. This ancient remedy has been around for centuries, but its full potential remains a well-kept secret. Imagine waking up with glowing skin, thicker hair, and a body ready to take on the world. Sounds incredible, right? Stick around because we're about to reveal the amazing transformations that occur when you make castor oil a part of your nightly routine. You won't want to miss this. 1. Reduces wrinkles. First, let's dive into how castor oil can be your secret weapon against wrinkles. If you're looking for smoother, more youthful skin, castor oil is a game changer. It's packed with fatty acids that deeply moisturize and nourish your skin, making it appear smoother and more youthful. Additionally, castor oil is rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which help protect your skin from free radical damage, a major contributor to aging. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, which help reduce the formation of wrinkles by keeping inflammation at bay. To use castor oil for wrinkles, cleanse your face, apply a small amount of castor oil to the areas with fine lines, and leave it on overnight. You'll wake up with skin that feels softer, smoother, and rejuvenated. 2. Promotes hair growth. Next up, let's talk about your hair. Whether you're dealing with thinning hair or just want to add some extra shine, castor oil is your go-to solution. This natural oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It boosts blood circulation to your scalp, nourishes hair follicles, and stimulates growth. For best results, warm a small amount of castor oil, part your hair into sections, and apply the oil directly to your scalp. Massage it in to stimulate blood flow. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on overnight. When you wash it out in the morning, you'll notice healthier, shinier hair that feels more robust and full. 3. Soothes sunburn. If you've ever had a painful sunburn, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Castor oil can offer much-needed relief. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, it helps reduce redness, swelling, and pain associated with sunburn. Moreover, its moisturizing effects prevent the skin from drying out and cracking, which can speed up the healing process. To use castor oil on sunburned skin, cleanse the area with cool water, pat it dry, and gently massage a few drops of castor oil into the affected area. Leave it on overnight and repeat the process until the sunburn heals. Your skin will thank you. 4. Improves sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is crucial for your overall health, and castor oil can play a surprising role in improving your sleep quality. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which can reduce the pain and discomfort that often disrupts sleep. Moreover, the calming effect of castor oil when applied topically can help relax your body, making it easier to fall asleep. For a better night's sleep, try massaging a small amount of castor oil onto your skin before bed. The soothing sensation may help you drift off faster and enjoy a deeper, more restful sleep. 5. Thickens eyebrows. Want thicker, fuller eyebrows without breaking the bank on expensive treatments? Castor oil has got you covered. This affordable remedy is rich in nutrients like vitamin E, omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, and ricinoleic acid, all of which are essential for healthy hair growth. To use castor oil for your eyebrows, apply a small amount with a clean mascara wand or your fingertips before bed. Massage it gently into your eyebrows and leave it on overnight. Over time, you'll notice your eyebrows becoming fuller and more defined, giving you that bold look you've been dreaming of. 6. Moisturizes skin. Radiant, well-moisturized skin is within reach with castor oil. This natural emollient is excellent at penetrating deep into the skin, hydrating it from within and leaving it soft and supple. Castor oil's thick consistency forms a barrier on the skin, preventing moisture loss and keeping it hydrated. To moisturize your skin, simply rub a small amount of castor oil onto your body before bed. Allow the oil to absorb for at least 30 minutes before rinsing it off in the morning. With consistent use, your skin will look healthier, more radiant, and feel incredibly soft to the touch. 7. Relieves constipation. If you've ever dealt with constipation, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Castor oil offers a natural remedy thanks to its active ingredient, ricinoleic acid, which acts as a stimulant laxative. This compound helps move stool through the intestines and promotes bowel movements by stimulating the colon. To relieve constipation, take 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, of castor oil before bed on an empty stomach. Expect a bowel movement within a few hours, making it an effective option for occasional constipation. However, consult your healthcare provider before making this a regular practice. 8. Reduces pain and inflammation. Last but not least, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it a great natural remedy for reducing pain and inflammation associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle pain, and menstrual cramps. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil has been shown to effectively reduce inflammation, providing relief from discomfort. To use castor oil for pain relief, apply it topically to the affected area, massaging it in gently. Cover the area with a warm cloth and leave it on for a few hours or overnight. While castor oil can help alleviate pain, it's important to remember that it shouldn't replace medical treatment. Always consult with a healthcare provider before using it for medicinal purposes. 9. Hastens wound healing. Finally, castor oil is a powerful ally in wound healing. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help keep wounds clean, reduce inflammation, and promote faster healing. The fatty acids and vitamin E in castor oil nourish the skin and stimulate new tissue growth, which is essential for repairing damaged skin. To treat a wound, clean the area thoroughly, then apply a small amount of castor oil using a cotton ball or swab. Cover the wound with a sterile bandage and leave it on overnight. Repeat this process daily until the wound heals. Castor oil forms a protective barrier over the wound, keeping it free from bacteria and aiding in the healing process. Incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine can unlock a world of benefits, from reducing wrinkles and promoting hair growth to improving sleep and hastening wound healing. This versatile natural remedy has been trusted for centuries, and it's easy to see why. Give it a try, and you might just wake up feeling refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on natural health and beauty remedies.